This is so weird. I tuned to the station 100.1. It was about to play Mexican music, but look how it sounds. It sounds like an 8-bit Atari game or something. Sounds like a Chinese folk song or something in 8-bit. Or a Mexican song. It's Mexican music. This is creepy here. They need to improve the quality of the transmitters, cause it sounds like an AM signal, but it's on FM. Sounds like a mixer. Hmm.